Hey guys, welcome back. So I told you guys that I was gonna get a Louisa package and it came in the mail and I'm so excited. So let me show you. So let me just turn you around so I can show you better, right? Yeah, that makes sense. All right, so I got the sofrito, the classic. I already had this one in my fridge. I loved it with chicken and steak, so I just got another one. And then I picked up this one, which is sofrito rojo. I do love that they kind of have like what's in it. The ingredients are super duper clear right there for you. And then it even tells you like what you can actually use it for and how to use it. Love that. And then I also got this one. I haven't really seen much about this one, but I am excited for this one too. Okay, so I kind of just took them all out. So I already been using the sazon and adobo. I love them. So I picked up turmeric. Turmeric is supposed to have a lot of benefits, so I picked up this one. I picked up garlic powder. I actually just ran out of my regular garlic powder, so I got that. I got some sal, some smoked paprika, and some oregano. Being excited over seasonings is wild. You know, you're adults, but yeah. All right, so unplanned trip to Dollar Tree. Well, that was planned, but right now we're going to Ross, and then we're gonna go to Target. The unplanned was Target and Ross, yeah, and then we're gonna go to Dollar Tree. That was planned.
The dollar store.
Yes, my love.
Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree, that's right. You like Dollar Tree?
And dollar store too.
Yeah. All right, so we are back. We actually ended up going again to the stores. I'm going to show you what we got at Dollar Tree, not including things that I got for Easter for my daughter and for my nieces and nephews, which are my best friend's kids. So not showing you guys that because that will be in a future video. Actually, I will show you this for Easter though. They had these at Dollar Tree. These are super duper cute. So we got these. Dollar Tree. Let's see. My husband picked up some Hot Wheels. He got 3 Hot Wheels, I believe. Well, this isn't a Hot Wheel. Well, this is a Hot Wheel. Just kidding. He got 4. This one. He got 2 new garbage cans because we were sick. So yeah, the other 2 went to the garbage. Hand sanitizer, and then he actually got this really cute comic book. Little side note, I used to always want to collect Hot Wheels when I was a kid. It just never happened. My daughter finished her bandages in her doctor kit, so we got more bandages. Yeah. Wow! They were in your foam slime? Wow. We got some antibacterial hand wipes. Couldn't find our favorite ones, but we found those, so that works. I did see that they actually had 91% alcohol. So I picked that up even though it was $2. I got some gloves, some stainless steel scrubs, one more glove, since you guys know I wash dishes with those. We did get this moisture thing. He's probably gonna put one in my closet and one in his. We got some of these. I told him to get more than just one. He just picked up one. I'm running out of toothpicks, so we got some of that. I actually scanned this minced garlic in water, and it actually came out like 70 out of 100 in the app that I use. So we picked that up just to have. I always my doctor actually recommended for me to put lime juice and lemon in my water. I got these in case when I don't have a lemon or lime, just to put inside my water. She actually recommended that because I don't have kidney stones, but I have teeny tiny ones that can turn into bigger ones. So to prevent, she told me to use that. I got more gloves. My husband got some bar soap. One random buy, which is $3.25, is coffee. So we actually bought coffee at Target, which I'll show you guys in a second. But he was like, let's just pick some just to see how it is. Also, so we got this. If we like it, we're actually gonna try it tomorrow. If we like it, we're gonna go back and buy a couple more. And then again at Dollar Tree. Feels weird because I'm not showing you everything else that we picked up at Dollar Tree. I hope this mic isn't making it go all over the place. We didn't pick up at Dollar Tree because we went to, I got a lot of things for my daughter and my best friend's kids for Easter. I saw that they had LA color eyeliners, so I picked up 3: brown, black, and blue, which are the 3 colors that I love wearing. And I also saw this really cute eyeshadow palette as well, so I picked that up too. All right, let me show you. I think that was it. Yeah. Well, other than, you know, the other stuff I just told you I got. Let me go ahead and show you what I picked up at Target over here. So I think I said in the last vlog, I actually been MCO Beauty picking up stuff slowly, so that I can do a full face. We got some bread. We've been trying to transition to a better bread from Aldi, but since we were just at Target, we decided to just go ahead and get some stuff there. We did get this at Dollar Tree too, I forgot to mention, which is a cute little crown with earrings for my daughter, and this for my daughter as well. I got some eggs. Yeah, I actually told me to get 2, but there was only 1. So yeah, I did get some parchment paper. If you've seen my last video, cottage cheese pizza, or even to make wraps with them, this works. We got 2 of these. These are not our favorite, guys. We cannot find our favorite Bustelo coffee anywhere, so not even Amazon. They have it on Amazon for like $60. I'm not paying that for 36. So yeah, we decided to go ahead and get our old favorite, which is the Starbucks breakfast blend medium roast, which is what this is supposed to be too. So we'll see. And then we also got some Ziploc bags because I hate running out. And then Target did have a lot of things on sale. I also picked up a big Pikachu. And then we needed another laundry basket, so that worked out. The laundry basket was like 50% off, $90. $9, not 90. Oh my goodness. Also, picking you guys up at Target, we picked up some Clorox wipes. You guys can see that down there. And then we picked up water, and then my husband has to bring up the other water as well. And we also picked up some glue for my toddler. She actually needed some. The other ones dried out. And then I picked this up, which I was excited about that it came like this. It is a word search. And it's just, I feel like it's so much easier to just do it like this and word search it. I miss doing that, so I'm going to get back into doing that. I should think that is actually it, other than a lot of stuff we got for my daughter for Easter, and a lot of stuff we got for the boys and the girls for Easter. So now we added a little girl. Actually, I don't know what I'm getting Aria yet, which is the youngest one. She's a couple months, so I think I'm just gonna get her a toy to put in her basket, because she's not gonna be able to play with everything else that I got. The boys, and Zoe and my daughter, because they're obviously older. They are going to be 2 and going to be 4. So yeah, that is what I picked up. I feel like I've just been rambling and buying a lot of things. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I miss you guys, like I said. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.